Thank you for watching my next part of the video for integrating signals from Telegram to MT5. Let's dive now how you can set up the software for reading the signal once you made the purchase or purchase the 1 month subscription. First of all, you have to run the VPS. I don't know, some people want to run it on their own PC, and some people wants to run it for 24 hours in case if they are looking for long-term trading. So now I have my own VPS. It's already rented. I can provide you the best VPS provider and just message me. Now let's connect to our VPS. Our VPS, as you see here. Now I will dive on how to run the integrating signal software before I'm going to explain the last part of explaining how the EA is working. Now, first of all, you have to create 2 users account or 3 or whatever your preferences. Some people want to test the EA on multiple broker for backtesting, so they want to adjust their settings here, play with the settings for risk ratio, for TP, for how many orders, for the closing all the orders, how many minutes. You can do that. It's very easy. Now, first of all, you have to create, as you see here, I have in my VPS 1, 2, 3, 4 users are running. The current user which you see here is I am connecting here. You see there is no disconnect here, which is I'm using. It's admin 6. It's very easy. If you want to create a new user, you just want to go to control panel, user account, then users account, then you have to manage other account and then add a user account. Then you provide the password and the name for the user. So once you already done this, you can just again connect to it through remote desktop connection. As you see, you press edit the IP of the server, you press more choices, you use different account, then you input the name of the users and the password you provided. So as you see here, we already have our user is admin 6. So this user basically is for our trading MT5 platform. So the EA will always working on that user for placing the trades. First of all, now you have why is the purpose for creating 2 different users? The most important thing, the answer for this question is because the software reading, the software signals reading will be working 24 hours on a main user. So it will keep working here. As you see, I have this admin 2. Our software is going to be run 24 hours. You just have to connect to it. Then after connecting to the user, you just go to the same path of our current broker, as you see here. Okay. This is the main path for our MetaTrader program. So as you see here, we place the signal read signal 7 and trade signals file. So these are the software reading signals, and the software is going to be run on the same path of our EA. So always placing them in files, okay, and place the expert advisor, always place it on experts, as you see here. It's here. I already provided it. So now once we have the directory, which is, I guess, this is the directory for the files, for the reading signals software files. You just have to copy it, then go to your main PC, so go to your main PC, paste it here, and then return back to the VPS. Just try to connect again to the user account that you created already for reading signals. And here in this situation it's admin 2 in my case. So I'm going to connect it right now. And now we are connecting to it. As you see, this is the same path that I used it already for our broker. So now we just have to run the software, right click on it and press run as administrator, and press yes. It will ask you about the license key, which is being provided after you made the purchase with me. Even if you want to purchase one lifetime, I will give you the access for lifetime subscription license key, or for 1 month testing. So in that case, this is the sample of the license key for 1 month for back testing. So now I will import it here and I press enter. Now it will open you, the software will run right now, and you just have to go to your Telegram account where Ben VIP circle is currently based, and go after that to press on the top left corner of the Telegram on your phone and press settings and press devices, and then press link desktop device. In that case, I'm going to use right now my Telegram to connect it to our software reading. Now it's successfully authentication. I scan the QR code by camera. Then I press on the signal of Ben, the VIP signal. Then I'm going to press enter, and we already navigate the group. Then enter again. Then I minimize it. Make sure to minimize it because it's going to watch the group 24-hour. It's like an eye watching the group. Then I try to check and minimize it, and check. Now it's running perfectly. As you see here, everything is running perfect. The software is designed to read the signals 24-hour without any stop. It also refresh the page. So in that case, we don't want to mess anymore with this user on the server, and also we don't want to maximize this tab. Just keep it like this, minimize, because it's like an eye watching this tab. So we don't want to miss and press also escape. It's very wrong. If you want to log off, to disconnect from this user with at the meantime keep it running, you just want to escape from the remote desktop connection by press close like this. Then after that we will connect again. Okay, now we are going to connect again to our VPS. As you see, the software now is running 24-hour on admin 2, and if you want to be sure, just right click on the user and press connect. Just input the password. If you don't know how to go to this tab, you just press right click on the toolbar, task manager, then users. Then we go to the user of the software reading, right click on it, then connect, then input the password, then bingo, it's reading the signal. As you see, it's working 24-hour perfectly. We don't want to miss it, as I said. Once we run it, keep it minimized, the CMD. And if you want to exit from this user, just press close, close like this, not from this, from your current remote session. Then press OK. After that, you connect again to the remote desktop connection by providing the user for the MetaTrader by clicking edit, or even it will keep and remaining here. Admin 6, this is the user for our trading platform, the MT5. So now it's going now to connect again to our MT5. As you see here, now the software is running in the same directory and registering the signals in this file, trade underscore signals. So this is the last signal has been sent by Ben. And if we check it here back, if you check it like here back, as you see in admin 2, let's dive and check it. And if you see, this is the last signal exactly has been sent. So it reads the last signal successfully. Now, as I said, we don't want to mess it with it. Just press escape, disconnect. Then we connect again to our remote session for the MT5. It's admin 6. Now, as I showed you, that this is the last signal has been sent by Ben. And if you see here, the signal was sell gold from this range to this range, and this is the stop loss, and this is the TP1, and this is the TP2. Now guys, let's dive on something my people and my customer are inquiring about, which is the feature here in the EA is adjustment for the TP in price units. So this means how many in points we want to catch the TP1 more fast than Ben TP, because sometimes Ben put the TP little far away. So in that case, since we are focusing on scalping, it's good to catch the TP more closer than him. So in that case, the default settings is 0.6. So it means 60 point. So I will explain to you how it's that working. So now I already showed you that it's 0.6. So now when a signal coming, let's say for example this signal has came to the group, it's say buy gold from this range to this range, and stop loss and the TP1 and TP2. I have developed, by the way, I have developed the EA to work only on TP2 because we are talking about scalping, so best thing to catch the TP1. Since you catch the TP1 fast, you don't want to go for TP2. It's kind little risk, and you can switch to next signal. If you have been VIP group, you can do like 10 signals or 9 per day. So now this signal is saying that by range from here to here, and we adjusted the settings for the TP in point 0.6. So since the signal is by gold, this is the TP1, the default TP1 for the signal by bin, as you see here. Okay, this is the signal, by the way, it's opened, successfully closed in profit by the EA. So this is the default setting, default TP1 of bin, and this is that's been adjusted by the EA by 0.6 as I showed you. So it means the price, the TP1 will be subtracted, okay, by minus from the 0.6, which is equal to 2665.2. So it means, you see here, the EA has closed this order in profit and more closer than the bin TP. So in that case, you catch and lock the profit more fast than him. Why I do this? Because sometimes you want to catch the profit very fast before the price moving in opposite direction, or you close it in loss. So this is the option I showed you in buy. And if the signal is sell, the EA is optimized automatically to make the subtraction instead of subtracted 0.6, it will add 0.6, because we are talking about sell order. Sell order is opposite than buy order. You don't have to focus about this, but you can adjust the per your preferences. This, okay. The more you increase it, okay, it will catch the TP. It will make the TP more closer to this, okay, to lock the profit. So that's the thing I explained to you. And also I would like to tell you something important, that my VPS is in New York, in United States East location. So the best thing is I will provide you the company to register through it, and you have to be sure to choose the same plan and the same settings when you're in the server, because we would like to catch the low latency. You see here I have only 10 milliseconds server and 9 and 7 milliseconds, so that means the price will not be late when it comes to trading. You will get the price very fast and in real time, close to New York lifetime. But if you run it on your own PC, you will have to see that the latency is close to this, and even sometimes in some brokers it will reach be more than 170 or 150. So that's very bad, since you want to catch the price very fast. We are talking about scalping. So I hope you understand everything. So once you are interested to purchase my EA for lifetime, I will be happy to do this. I have a lot of customers are being happy with the results. Whether you want to try it for 1 month or you would like to purchase it, make sure to contact me in the information in the video. down below. And don't forget, please to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.